To keep your business running like a well-oiled machine, your actual machines have their own repairs. In those crucial moments, what needs to happen isn't always clear to the people in the field. What needs to happen is a resolution fast, which, depending on the issue or issues, might take a genius. Fortunately, you can make everyone a genius with TeamworkAR, an augmented reality platform that puts practical expertise in everyone's hands. With an intuitive, clear, collaborative experience, TeamworkAR gives field workers or trainees or technicians or, well, anyone a clear picture of the situation and the access to an expert or global team to resolve it. For whatever industry you're in, TeamworkAR gives you a cost-effective solution that not only helps your team, but ultimately drives real, pragmatic results, including improved productivity, better customer experience, and a positive ROI for your company. So in this moment, with technology changing quickly and customers expecting excellence, what needs to happen is what you and your people can make happen with TeamworkAR. Make everyone a genius and look like one yourself. Learn how